Welcome, here I've got Oppo A54 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we have the location option with short info from the device that display location information in photo and video details. By using the button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. And also here the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our photo. Now let's move to more in the right corner at the bottom, and here we have to pick the details. Now at the third position we can check our location with the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.